Welcome, my friends, to a 14-minute higher consciousness, non-sleep deep rest meditation, also known as Yoga Nidra. So I'd like you to get into a comfortable position. You can lie down for this one, or you can sit with your back up straight, whichever suits you. And we'll begin with our eyes closed and focus together on connecting with the breath. And just notice how your breath slows all the way down, naturally all by itself, becoming slower and deeper, helping you relax all by itself. Breathing slow and low down to the belly. With each out-breath, an invitation to let go. Any tension or any tightness that you're holding on to. And if your mind's naturally wandering, that's a beautiful opportunity just to bring it back to the breath. And just follow an out-breath of your choosing. And notice that pause, that space at the end of the breath, just before you breathe back in. And can you notice how quiet and still your mind becomes as you access the peace and silence that's always here and available for you? And let's create an intention through this practice to access your true self, your higher consciousness. Just to connect and maybe finally hear what you truly have to say. And bringing your attention now to the crown of your head. And as you breathe out, allow the crown of your head, your scalp, just to relax. Each out-breath using the power of your intention to help the back of your head, your forehead, to let go. Smoothing out the lines around your eyes. And your cheekbones and your jaw beginning to soften. We can hold so much tension here, and with intention, we can let it go. Down to your neck and shoulders. Just for a moment, being aware of everything you can hear through your left ear. And through your right ear. And now moving your attention to your left shoulder letting it drop. An energy of relaxation beginning to move now into your left bicep, dissolving and melting any tightness, like ice cream melting on a warm summer's day. Down into your forearm, to the back of your hand, into your thumb, your forefinger, your middle finger, your ring finger, your little finger, and into the palm of your hand, maybe feeling a slight tingling sensation as your body begins to relax. And now your right shoulder, releasing your burdens, feeling lighter as your shoulder drops. Again, tension and tightness melting like ice on a warm day. Slowly down to your forearm, that wave of relaxation moving into the back of your hand and into your thumb, forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, and then feeling the tingling in your right hand. And then feeling the tingling in both hands. Is it stronger in the palm of your hand or in your fingers? Which finger? Now moving your attention to your heart and the rise and fall of your chest. And can you feel grateful for connecting with yourself this way today? And as you connect to your heart, just bring to mind someone you love. And for a moment, see them living their best life with a huge smile on their face. And feel the love in your heart begin to expand for this person. And then gently begin to focus a little lower to your abdomen, feeling it slowly and gently rise and fall with each breath. And if your mind wanders at all, gently bring it back to where we're focusing together. Focusing on your spine, supporting you, relaxing all the way from the top of your neck down to the base, into your left pelvis, your left thigh, tension dissipating, evaporating, as this energy wave just moves slowly down your left leg to your calf muscle and into your left foot. Focusing on your right pelvis, your right thigh, that energy wave releasing deeply all the way down into your calf muscle and into your right foot. And just be aware now of just floating in a deeply relaxing space. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your natural state of peace and stillness that you're experiencing right here, right now. And remind yourself that it's in silence and peace that I find my true self. And it's in silence and peace that you can be aware of your consciousness expanding, filling your environment with no boundaries, knowing deep within that you are not your thoughts, but you are the awareness in which thoughts happen. And if thoughts appear, watch them come, watch them go within your awareness. And as you float here, deeply relaxing in your natural state, and this is home. This is your true self. And the more you connect, the higher level of consciousness and true self you'll experience. Because what's here right now, before a thought tries to tell you what's here. Now, if you wish to continue, of course, carry on. Or if you'd like to come back to your surroundings, give yourself a wonderful inner smile, a sense of gratitude for giving yourself the space and time to experience your higher consciousness, your true self, and then come back to your surroundings. Open your eyes and give yourself a wonderful hug. Check in with yourself and how you feel. And think about, what can you take from today's practice into your day? And I want to thank you for doing this practice with me. It has an impact on the world more than you can know. And remember, I am you. You are me. We are one. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.